All right, with that, let's also take you back to Gujarat. Viewers, as you can see in the visuals on your screen, Prime Minister Modi has reached that particular place in Bhuj where he is holding a roadshow. Remember, Hiten, my colleague, has been talking to the large crowds that have gathered there to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, to make sure that they convey their gratitude and pride in how the Prime Minister has handled the conflict with Pakistan and how India has been able to give a befitting response under Operation Sindoor to Pakistan and Pakistan-sponsored terrorists. हितेन, वहां पर क्या कुछ हो रहा है? अभी हमको दिख रहा है कि प्रधानमंत्री का कॉन्वॉय वहां पर पहुंच गया है।
बिल्कुल, ये सीधी तस्वीर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। देखिए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी का काफिला आपको नजर आ रहा होगा। भुज एयरबेस पर लैंडिंग के बाद ये अब उनके रोड शो की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। करीब 1.5 किलोमीटर का ये रोड शो है, क्योंकि भुज एयरबेस से जहां पर प्रोग्राम है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का भुज और मिर्जापुर के बीच में, वो लोकेशन करीब 6 किलोमीटर की है, लेकिन पहाड़ी रास्ता होने के चलते सिर्फ रोड शो का रूट जो है वो 1.5 किलोमीटर का रखा गया है। और ये सीधी तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक के बाद एक, जो करीब 10 से 15 हज़ार लोग सड़कों पर मौजूद हैं, जो इस वक्त यहाँ पर मोदी मोदी के नारे लगा रहे हैं, उनका अभिवादन झेलते हुए अब सीधे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। देखिए किस तरीके से खुद गाड़ी से भी बाहर निकले हुए हैं।
All right, Hiten was getting us, of course, the latest from what's happening in Bhuj. Those are exclusive visuals, ladies and gentlemen, from Bhuj. It is, a very, very warm welcome that the Prime Minister is getting in his home state, not just because of the fact that he is visiting his home state of Gujarat after the success of Operation Sindoor, but the fact that today is 26th of May and 11 years back on this very day in 2014, Mr. Narendra Modi had taken oath as the Prime Minister of India. That journey continues, several highlights during this long journey, but as you can see, flower petals, gratitude, women who've come out in large numbers to thank the Prime Minister for Operation Sindoor, for making sure that those who took away the Sindoor of the victims of the Pahalgam terror attack are given a befitting response. And that response, ladies and gentlemen, was given under Operation Sindoor. Earlier today, the Prime Minister was in Vadodara, where he had held a road show. He had also met with the family members of Colonel Sophia Qureshi. In Bhuj, at the moment, he is holding a road show. In a short while from now, of course, the Prime Minister will also be inaugurating several developmental projects and dedicating to the nation projects related to power, renewable energy, as well as solar power projects. My colleague Arunil is with us for more on this. Arunil, the fact that a very warm welcome that he's been getting all through the day today through these road shows, and the fact that the crowds want to convey their gratitude and pride in how the Prime Minister handled the conflict under Operation Sindoor reflects what the country thinks about the Prime Minister at the moment and the work that his government has done.
Well, certainly, yes. Times Now was also in Bhuj, where PM Modi at present is holding a massive roadshow. Everybody from Bhuj were echoing the same point, that how PM Modi has done so much for this country, how he has given the befitting answer to Pakistan with response to the dastardly attack that certain sections from Pakistan had perpetrated in Pahalgam. First, he landed in Vadodara today. There also he held an event wherein there was a massive following. After that, he is in Bhuj, which is the last city in Gujarat on the border with Pakistan. Bhuj has played a very significant role in 1965 war against Pakistan, in 1971 war as well. The Bhuj airbase was under the attack from Pakistani Air Force in 1971 war. During this tension-like situation with Pakistan,
yes,
there were drones that could be seen in Bhuj. And here PM Modi giving a strong message to people from his home state. PM Modi first was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Here he is holding a massive roadshow wherein people are giving him a very favorable response.
Absolutely, Arunil. And, as we get those live visuals for you, viewers, let's also listen into what the Prime Minister said earlier today in Vadodara.
हमारे सुरवीर ने वो कर दिखाया जो दुनिया ने पिछले कई दशकों से नहीं देखा था। हमने सीमा पार चल रहे आतंक के 9 सबसे बड़े आतंकी ठिकाने उनको ढूंढ निकाला, अता पता पक्का कर लिया और 22 तारीख को उन्होंने जो खेल खेला था, 6 तारीख रात को 22 मिनट में हमने उनको मिट्टी में मिला दिया। क्या मोदी चुप बैठ सकता है? जब कोई हमारी बहनों के सिंदूर को मिटाएगा तो उसका भी मिटना तय हो जाता है।